We are the Cleaner Company, providing bespoke cleaning services to commercial clients across London. As a commercial enterprise, you'll know that first impressions and cleanliness go hand in hand, which is why we take pride in delivering a high-caliber cleaning service to all our clients at a competitive price. At the Cleaner Company, we invest heavily in our operatives, exclusively working with individuals who are BICS qualified, highly experienced, vetted, and insured. In order to maintain our reputation for excellence, we invest in ongoing training and conduct regular inspections and checks to maintain those high standards. This includes audits measured against KPIs. Our services include contract and office cleaning, regular cleans, deep cleans, public commercial cleaning, and even ad hoc services, all using eco-friendly products and high-quality equipment in every environment. We provide a simple yet detailed pricing plan so you can easily determine which of our quality services is best for your requirements, all available at competitive rates. For every commercial and office client, we issue a contract book for peace of mind, as well as a one-to-one management service option from our cleaning account managers to ensure the standards you need are always being met, whether you're a new client or an established one. For more information about our services, contracts, or to book, get in touch with the Cleaner Company today for your free quote.